Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. We're back. We're back. Maaga na naman kami. First time namin magbenta since we got back from Melbourne. Do you know we've been away for 3 Sundays lang, I think? 3 Sundays. Wow. Where's that? Apple? Have you seen lahat na?
No. No way. No way. No way. No way.
So, ang ating Daddy Mike ay nilagay na yung mga gamit natin sa sasakyan. What's the time ng anak? You still sleepy? Are you still sleepy? You wanna come? You can stay.
Come.
Hmm?
Come.
You can still go to sleep.
Oh, still wanna come.
Why?
I still wanna come. So, Mommy's packing the stove, and we just got here a few minutes ago, so I'm so excited. And there's Mama putting all the dresses out. So, we'll see you later. Bye.
It's now 12:30 ng tanghali, guys. Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog ulit. And I feel so bummed kung bakit hindi ako nag-vlog kanina. Kasi nandito si Ate Michelle. Binisita niya ako dito kasi she bought a bag of me. Tapos nag-shopping na rin siya dito, guys. So hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang busy na. And nakapasok na lahat, guys, sa sasakyan. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa loob din kanina. As mentioned, napaka-busy na, so hindi na nakapag-vlog si mami niyo. Anyways, we had a good day. I sold my Louis Vuitton Alma BB bag. So after that, parang I felt very, hindi na ako na-stress na, oh my God, like, may benta ba tayo today? Kasi isang bag lang ay, pwedeng-pwede na. And here, nandito pa kami kasi hintayin sana namin yung pinsan ko, guys. Kasi they're going to pick up Paris today kasi hihiramin nila si Ate Paris. They'll take Paris to Inflatable World. Anyways, dito dapat sana pipick upin si Ate Paris. But, Joy said it's okay kasi tapos na nga kami, nakapasok na lahat sa sasakyan. Sabi niya, it's okay, Ate, I'll just pick up Paris from your place. So, pwede na kaming umuwi ni Ate Paris today. But hindi ako masyadong na ngayon, guys, ang aking muscles kasi Amy was here kasi nagbenta rin sa Amy. Tinulungan niya ako sa mga bags, guys. So, bait-bait rin ng friendship natin. And then Ate Michelle as well. So, anyways, Ate, go in now, so we can go home. Dinalhan kami kanina ni Ate Michelle doon ng Krispy Kreme. Oh, yummy. Okay. Ayan. Dito namin sa bahay, ina-unload ko lang yung mga bagay-bagay para makapasok po tayo. What did you do this morning?
I was sleeping.
Sleeping!
Yeah.
You happy to see Mama?
Yes.
Oh, did you cry this morning?
Yes.
Why?
Because I want mommy back.
You want mommy back. And mommy's back. Mommy's back. I love you so much, baby girl. I love you so much.
I miss you. I love you too much.
Oh. I miss you too, and I love you too very much. You're such a sweet girl, Baba. You are. You are my sweet girl, aren't you? Hmm? Hmm?
Mommy.
Did you hear that, guys? Oh my God. Tanggal talaga lahat ng pagod, guys. Marinig niyo yung anak. Sabihan kayo ng I miss you and I love you. You're so beautiful.
Sweet.
Tree. Okay, we'll go. Okay.
Donuts.
What is it you want?
The pink donuts.
The pink what?
The pink donuts.
Donuts. Donuts. Here.
Mom, can we have one? I don't like donuts anyways.
Hmm?
What? Yeah!
Okay, I'll have it.
You can have it.
Banana, KFC Go Box,
I don't like
ice,
cake.
chocolate,
Really? That's surprising, Adi.
peanut butter sandwich.
I only like the glaze. I only like the. Mommy, it's yours.
Okay.
But I don't really want to eat this one. It's yummy. Is it yummy?
Say thank you, Nanay C.
Thank you, Nanny C. What about Michelle? Nanny Michelle. Nanny Michelle.
Yummy, careful. Louie boy.
I'm not charging only.
Louie boy.
I got here a coin. I saw a pig.
Joy.
Baba.
Yeah. Do you want to come in or do you need to go? Yeah, come. Yeah. Tita Joy. Ay, nakapakula. Napakulay.
Yeah. But I was gonna go lighter, but I have to go. It might get weird.
Oh, that's good, baby. Oh, finally. Pull the trigger, huh? Yeah.
I'm gonna go lighter next time.
Yeah. Not gradually. Gradually light and then
Can I
that's good. Hi. Louie.
I don't like it. I want my little. Hello. Hi, Lily.
It's alright, we'll do something, okay?
We'll take you out soon, okay, as well.
We got
alright?
sad, baby.
Okay. We'll take you as well, like soon. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. We'll take you out as well. Alright?
Joy, just let me know. You go, yeah? You know me. You
I'll keep you updated. Don't worry. Bye-bye, Lily.
Sa season natin. Uy, uy. My phone. Hi, don't be naughty, ha? Follow.
She's gonna be good. This girl. Oh, don't worry. We're gonna take you out like soon. Okay? Alright? Don't be sad.
Mama.
It doesn't bother me anymore.
Yeah, he's good now. It's good now.
Let's be now.
Alright.
Right, let's go.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Bye-bye. Enjoy, honey girl.
Bye.
So, my baby. Ate, welcome up soon. Very excited ang ating ate kasi alam niyo na kapag pagdating sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Alam niyo guys, worry talaga ako but I trust my cousin. Like before, nung maliit pa nga sa Paris, nila si Paris. And it's okay. Siguro yung feeling ko kasi never silang mahiwalay sa akin, ganun. So, I think normal naman na mag-alala talaga. Yun ang sabi ko kanina kay Joy, you know me. I worry a lot. Sabi ko, I'll keep you updated. Kung magsisend yun ng mga picture, ganyan. Look, Mama's gonna eat. Look, Mama is gonna have lunch. To have chicharon, chicken skin. And then, may kanin tayo from last night. Ayan, kakain na si Mami. Kuha tayo ng suka, tsaka asin. And then, daog na ang paniudto. Say, daog na ang paniudto ni Mama. It's okay, my love. Look, kanya, Mama. Put some vinegar there. Oh, it's too much that to put some salt. Uy, hilaw, more lang. Ito lang, uy, duha raman pa kabuok. Lapit mo. Lapit mo. Do you like salt? Patulog na rin to siya. Ay. Panap to. Look! Bahaw? Bahaw. Can you say bahaw? Say bahaw. Where do I go? You go?
Showing. Showing, Mama.
Tingnan niyo na, sige, sorry.
Mommy.
What did you do? Yeah, Mama's just asking what you did. Be? Come look at Mommy, Be? Inopen niya ang maskara ni Mami niyo.
Mom, look at this.
Tingnan niyo. Be? Hala! Ano? Maskara, anak ko. Hala, nilagay niyo sa eyebrow, nilagay sa ilong, sa bibig. Oh my God. Come on, let's go clean it. Come on.
Good job.
See your face? Huh? What do you think?
It's funny.
It's funny. It's funny. Baby, we'll wash it.
Wow.
Wow.
Anymore. Mommy said,
Ba't nang walang?
"Shut up without a bed." Who's this? Who's this? Berry. Oh no no. What? Oh no no. What do you have?
Buling eh.
One out to do it.
Hang on. See?
Out to do it.
So fast. Ay. I'll do this bit because
I'll do
hard to
it.
take off. Baby.
Hey, I wanna. No, I'll do it. I'm the best to do it.
You're boring. You're such a big boy now. You're such a big boy now. See, you're too big for the couch. You're too big for the couch. You're a big boy. Say hi there, baby. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. I'm moving. Palangga na. Uy. Palangga, boy. Palangga. ito siya guys, every time na malapit ako sa kanya, gumagano'n siya kaagad. Kasi alam niya yun, si Masing man siya. Are you a good boy? Shake hands mo. Shake hands. Shake hands. So, ang ating baby Celine is having a nap. And pinatulog ko. So, nandun siya sa bed. And ang ating Ate Paris is having fun as expected, guys. So, yung pinsan ko si Joy, she has been sending me videos and photos of Paris playing. So, yeah. And now I think like they're taking her for an ice cream. So, yeah. She's having a great day. And now, medyo gutom si mami niya, guys. Nilito tayo ng ramen. So while I was putting Celine to sleep, I was also editing para may upload tayo for tonight. So, you know, it's uploading. And before as well, I had a chance to take some more photos for our eBay store. So, yeah, I feel productive today, guys. First day back sa ating business. Dali my husband cleaning the house. So, alam niyo yun, ang sarap sa feeling kapag maliwalas tingnan. Feels good. Anong oras na ngayon? Kasi mag-close yung grocery store at 6. Kailangan natin bumili ng mga kakailangan natin for tomorrow. Food for Paris. Water and all. Itong ini-snack mo ngayon, oh. Money. Roasted money. Do you miss Ati?
Yeah.
Yes. Ati's still not home. She'll come home soon.
Oh, he is coming out.
Yes, she's coming home soon.
Yes.
I know. Oh guys, naputulan na yung mga bangs nila. Ang kuko ko din na. Pinatulan ko rin kasi ang sakit na. Kasi nung nasa Melbourne kami guys, marami talaga nagsabi na mahaba na yung bangs at tabunan na yung mata. Wala kaming gunting. No? So pinutulan ko yung kaagad pagka uwi namin. Ayan na oh. Kitang-kita na. Be, show me your beautiful eyes. And your beautiful nose. Palangga mo ka ni mama nak. Palangga ka mama.
That's a big voice though.
How are you? Here you go for your delivery.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's your And the bag is now destroyed. Good. The bag's destroyed now.
Is it gonna follow me home?
Thanks, Joy. I don't think
That's a very big dog voice, man.
I know, right? He's so big.
Toy poodle.
No poodle.
He's so big. Oh my gosh.
Hey, yeah. How was it? Is it good?
Yeah, it was good. It was good. We were very late though.
Does he mat really easy?
Huh?
Does he mat really easy? Like the...
Yes, give him a treat, then he'll learn.
What's that?
Give him a treat.
Is that a tree?
Louie, boy. Louie.
I'll try. Louis, come here. Come here.
I think he's smelling other.
Louis.
It's alright.